Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Morning class. Morning today. Right. Ya. Fun fact ya, sebenarnya jawaban untuk how are you itu bukan I'm fine in the correct way. Sebenarnya I'm fine itu kalau kamu jatuh terus orang tanya, are you okay? Ya, I'm fine. Jika kamu ada accident terus kamu bilang I'm fine, that's good. But when you just want to answer the question how are you, you can just answer it by I'm good, I'm great, wonderful, extraordinary. Okay? Okay. Ready? How are you guys? Good. Nah. Jadi perkenalan dulu, let me introduce myself. I'm Justika Devi Alamya. You can call me Miss Jus. Justika, Miss Justika or Miss Jus. Usually, all my friends and my students also call me Jus. Miss Jus. Okay. When you meet me, I play like around here. You can just call me and say hi. Hi, Miss Jus. That's okay, okay? Good. Actually, I want to remember all your name, but I think I will need some time. But for now, I'm bilang. Okay, how can I call you? Ya, oke, Dilan. Ahmad Zafran. Kakak-kakak yang lain? Oh gitu ya. Baik ya. Untuk kasih dulu kalian dengan saya. Selanjutnya yaitu fracture story. Kalian pernah dengar fracture story? Pernah dengar? Pernah dengar? Kalian dengar? So, what about narrative text? Maybe you're more familiar with narrative text, right? Di kelas berapa kalian belajar narrative text? Kelas 8 ya? 8 ya? Kelas 8. Kelas 8, when you were in 8th grade, you studied about we just understand about the story that already done, already fact yang sudah ada. Tapi di fracture story, you can explore more. Kamu bisa mengubah beberapa peristiwa yang ada di sana yang ada. Part about the story of Sleeping Beauty, Aurora. The princess Aurora. Nah, in the story, you used to understand, you used to know that Now, you can put anything. You can put anything there. You can change anything there. Itu adalah dia dari practice story. Short story anthologies. Apa itu short story anthologies? Ada yang pernah dengar? Jadi seperti ini. Kalian akan produce your own practice story, and then you can make like a book, like the apa ya, kayak kumpulan cerita-cerita tadi yang bisa kita kenal dengan nama antologi. Nanti kita bisa publish dalam bentuk digital dan juga dalam bentuk print. That's it. LMD. Just get familiar to it. Just get familiar. MEP. What's your favorite story? Like fairy tale or legend or fable, maybe? Fairy tale. What's the title? Maybe something that a bit shorter because Harry Potter is really a long story. Maybe a bit shorter, just short story that you really. I like this. Try to remember what story thing. Maybe you like movie. Have you ever heard of movie? Who doesn't know? Who doesn't know where the leftover story is? Like go back. Isn't it about the fish? What about that? What's the program? His favorite story is Raksasa Perahu. Can you tell me about the story of Raksasa Perahu? Okay, Mas Jura will tell us about the story of Raksasa Perahu. Okay, just one line. Who knows about the story of Raksasa Perahu? The story about the woman named Dayang Sumbi married with a dog, and then have a child, and the children murder the father, which is a dog, right? And then the mother was really furious. What's furious? When, yeah, angry is distinct, but furious is ngamuk. Furious. Yeah. The mother had 4 or 5 people in it. You can choose. You want to decide your group, or I decide. You decide or I decide? You decide. Okay, I give you 2 minutes to make a group and make a list in the group chat. Bisa dikirimkan bentuknya. Udah. Nanti akan ada penjelasan selanjutnya. Still have time, and I will explain a bit about the story. Can you read the text? You cannot? Mungkin maybe you can come forward and read it for us. Read. Yeah. Yeah. Can you translate it ke bahasa Indonesia? It's apa is? Adalah retelling. Retelling apa? Adalah retelling dari well known, itu berarti familiar, yang sudah diketahui dengan baik. Fairy tale atau cerita dengan mengubah karakter, setting, plot atau point of view to create, untuk membuat a new and different version of the story. You can use English. You can use Indonesia if you're comfortable with Indonesia. It's up to you. Pakai bahasa yang sama autor yang buat atau sesuai Boleh, boleh. Bisa. Iya. Ini gimana sih bacanya? Gimana sih bacanya ini? Gimana? Fracture. Oke, repeat after me. Fracture. 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 Fracture story. Mungkin itu pertanyaan yang lain ya, Mbak ya. Pertanyaan yang lain juga. Apa sih itu plot? Sudut pandang tokohnya. Jadi bisa membuat sudut pandang tokohnya. Sudut pandang tokohnya itu berarti gimana? Mungkin kalau di cerita Sang Kuryang itu kan keras kepala. Jadi nanti dia jadi gak terlalu keras kepala. Ya, benar teman-teman. Jadi dari tokohnya. Di cerita Cinderella. Cinderella bisa seperti apa sih teman-teman? Dia kind, brave. She's kind, she's brave. Retelling of well-known fairy tale or stories with changes in character. Jadi kalian bisa mengubah karakter dari tokoh-tokohnya. Tadi seperti stepmother yang baik bisa. Terus setting, kalian bisa mengubah settingnya. Contoh, kalau seumpama di cerita Takuban Perahu itu di zaman dahulu kala, mungkin kalian bisa mengubahnya. Settingnya menjadi setting zaman sekarang. Bisa. Kan banyak ya sekarang yang aneh-aneh ya, sekarang aneh mungkin itu bisa diselipkan ke. Have you ever read a story, a paragraph, the paragraph of story, maybe like 10 paragraph or 20 paragraph of story? Now, do you think the story is not just write down like that? Actually, every paragraph has purpose. Every paragraph has purpose. Setiap paragraf itu punya tujuan. Jadi itu writer saat menulis itu bukan hanya ya udah saja, ya udah gue sukanya kayak gini, ya udah kayak gini, nggak bisa. Jadi sebenarnya ada. Bagaimana pelajaran hari ini? Apakah kalian merasa bahagia? Apakah kalian bingung? Apakah kalian merasa excited untuk bertemu saya lagi?